Good morning everybody. Welcome to all of you in this online video class. Today we will start a new chapter, triangle. Okay. This is the first chapter of geometry for class 10th. I think all of you are familiar with triangle and its property. You had also studied about the congruence of triangle, in which you have learned that two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. But here we have to study about those figures which have same shape but not necessarily their size are same. So my dear student, these figures which have same shape but the size are either same or different are called similar figure. In this chapter, we shall discuss about the similarities of triangle only. Okay? We also use this concept to prove many theorems of triangle and its property. Okay? My dear student, have you ever thought how the height of large mountain like Mount Everest would be calculated? How the distance between two celestial bodies would be calculated? How the width of sea or ocean would be calculated? While all these heights and large distances cannot be measured with the help of measuring a scale directly. In fact, all these large distance and large heights have been calculated with the help of principle of similarities of geometrical figures. Right? Let us understand this concept with the help of some figure. There are some circles. There are some squares. There are some equilateral triangles. As we know that if the radii of two circles are same, then they are congruent. If the length of sides of two squares are same, then they are congruent. If the length of sides of two equilateral triangles are same, then they are congruent. But what about those circles which have different radii? Those squares which have different length of sides? Those equilateral triangles which have different length of side? My dear student, the one thing is common among all the circles having different radii or same radii, either different radii or same radii. All squares either the same side or different side. All equilateral triangles either they have same length of side or different length of side. This common thing is they have same shape. So all these figures which have same shape called similar figure. Okay? It means we can say that all congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures need not be congruent. Right? Now we discuss the similarity of polygon. As we know that a simple closed figure bounded by line segments are called polygon. It means polygons having different sides. So two polygons of same number of sides are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are same, their ratio of corresponding side are same. It means their sides are proportional, corresponding sides are proportional. So here one thing is come out is same ratio of corresponding sides. The same ratio of corresponding side is referred to as a scaling factor to making a map or making the blueprint of construction of building, etc. This is very helpful, and this is also helpful to measure the largest distance, largest height of for anybody. Okay.